How to switch to personal account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can switch to personal account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to switch to personal account on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to see this type of interface where you need to just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the profile icon from bottom right of the screen, you can see I have a professional account because you can see the professional dashboard. Now just tap the three lines option from the top right and then just go to settings. Once you come to settings, you want to scroll and then over here you'll find the option called account. Just make sure to tap on the account option, and as you tap on this account option over here, what you want to do is you just want to scroll down and then here you'll find switch account type. You want to make sure to just tap on switch account type and then here you'll see switch to personal account. So just tap on switch to personal account. It will ask you for a confirmation to switch. Just tap on this red switch button in order to successfully switch to personal account on Instagram. This way you can switch to personal account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.